In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an inventory item in QuickBooks Online, the complete 2025 guide. Whether you're just setting up your business or refining your bookkeeping, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online login page and sign in with your email and password. Make sure your login details are handy. It saves time and helps you avoid any unnecessary resets. After entering your credentials, click Continue, and you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the familiar Create button. This is the main hub for adding items, transactions, and adjustments. Click on the New button and a drop-down menu will open with a variety of options. In that drop-down, scroll down to the Other section. Here, look for an option called Inventory Quantity Adjustment. This tool allows you to add new inventory items or adjust the quantity of existing products. Go ahead and select it to open the adjustment screen. When the page loads, it's time to add your product details. You'll see a field where you can type in the product name. Try to use accurate and consistent naming, ideally the exact name or product ID your business already uses. This helps keep everything clean and prevent confusion later when your inventory grows. After entering the product name, move down to the quantity area. This is where you'll record the number of items currently on hand. If you've just received new stock or you're updating your records after a physical inventory count, type in the correct quantity here. Take a moment to double check this number. Accurate quantities are crucial for correct sales tracking, purchase orders, and financial reporting. Once everything looks good, scroll to the bottom right of the screen and click Save and Close. This updates your inventory instantly and ensures your records are fully up to date. A quick save now prevents errors and keeps your entire workflow running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added and adjusted an inventory item in QuickBooks Online. From logging in to selecting the right menu to entering accurate details, each step helps you stay organized and maintain reliable records for your business. Be sure to follow this process whenever you restock, notice discrepancies, or need to refresh your data. And remember to review your inventory from time to time so your physical stock always matches what's shown inside QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes inventory management much easier for you. If you found it helpful, feel free to check out the other QuickBooks tutorials on the channel Happy Inventory Management.